Yeah, I'm a thief. Sue me. Yeah, I hate that company already. I've heard its name. I will leave Google review on it. I'm just delusional. I love to think that I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, and I can prove it. I got myself trees. This is just madness. If you're trying to watch those videos for educational purposes, stop immediately. I don't know what I'm doing, and I can prove it. I got myself trees. Acer palmatum, Shiraz. This one is the palm maple. Makes no sense. It's a maple for sure, but it doesn't look like a palm. And this one is, let me check. It's the same as the Polish name. It's called Catalpa. I'm probably not pronouncing it as I should. Some of you may ask some stupid questions like, Chris, didn't you say the garden is really small? Yes, it is. Chris, didn't you say that you have a garage underneath the ground level? Yes, I did. Hey, Chris, didn't you mention you live by the block between other blocks and it's windy in here? Yes, I did. Hey, Chris, didn't you see a bike lane being built really close to you so it will make a noise and you probably shouldn't be recording today? Yes, I did. But the most important question is, can it stop me? It should. Well, I guess it's time to fix what I messed. No, doesn't really fit. I messed the measurements. Oh, the plant itself. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, I guess I'm ready this time. A bit of turf, acidic one. It's not a turf, it's a peat moss, yes. A bit of nitrogen. Yes. Oh, I forgot about the compost. I don't think it's a good one. I mean, it comes in bags, so obviously it's not a good f***ing compost. Right. It's not really straight. You can probably see it better on the camera, but I'm fine with this one. How am I supposed to move it there now? Oh my god, how heavy is it? Oh. I messed up. Oh no, I have an idea. Aha! See? We'll be fine. Genius. A professional arborist. Who would have thought? This one's soaking wet. There's a bug in here. Yes, go there. Yes. Somewhere in the future, I would have to, when the crown gets bigger, it's going to be harder to hold that plant in place. I mean, the wind will just put it on the ground. I'll just attach it somehow to the curb, maybe to that concrete thingy. Who knows? Yes. Oh man. I have trees. What a lovely job I just did. Sadly, the tree isn't gonna like it, but I have to do something about it. Let me show you. So basically, this plant is massive right now. I mean, not a chance I'll be able to control it by myself. And in order to do that, I need to cut those little branches. It will suffer because I shouldn't be doing it at this time of the year. I hope I'm not destroying it. I'll leave those little ones so they can support the plant. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but those branches are touching each other. Maybe I'll put something in between. What can I do about it? Yes. Lovely. I'm a magician. I hope you live. If you remember this one from previous episodes, those plants are really growing. But I had to remove this one, and this one. Turns out those were some butterfly bushes, 3 meters in diameter and 3 meters high. Shouldn't be having those in this little corner. So I moved them to the Valley of Shame. I'll show it to you in a sec. Also, this one doesn't look yet as a proper plant, but it will be, as it has a will to live. It's called wisteria, I believe. And I will place it here, make a lovely construction for it, like a, like a roof maybe or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Please let me out without breaking any plants. So just before I call it a day, I'll try to produce more trees. Can't be that hard. Just to let you know, I don't know if it's gonna work, right? And all I actually have is a peat moss. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I'll make a bonsai tree out of it. Yes, this will be my plantation. Yes, I'm a... Can you say plantator on YouTube? Or not anymore? Because I'm planting trees. One more. Obviously, you can see what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning this one. It's really important to do so because it's designed to mulch. It doesn't bag the clippings. So you need that airflow designed by the people way smarter than me. And it's also one of the must-haves for disabled people if you have a garden. And I'll tell you why. As you've probably seen on my other videos, it takes me tons of time, literally tons of time to do it with like a manual mower, electric one, engine one, powered one, whatever. And in order for the grass to thicken, you need to cut it a lot. Actually, the more the better. Because the grass itself works this way. You cut the blade and grass is thinking, oh my God, they've cut my leaf. I'll make another one. And this way it thickens. And even for unemployed benefit fraud, as I am, spending 6 hours a week just mowing your lawn, it's unacceptable. So there you go, pros and cons of having a robot. Pros, you're not spending hours cutting your lawn. When you apply tons of nitrogen like I did last night, cons then, you're not getting the stripes. You need to do edges manually. Well, actually that's it. That's actually it. Just get yourself one. I bought this one used already. I paid around $200 for it. I can control it with the phone. In ads everywhere. There's literally someone driving behind me and shouting commercials. Yeah, I hate that company already. I've heard its name. I will leave Google review on it. Oh, that's me. Haha! I'm ready to continue. Gotta do something with this corner. You probably noticed... No, you didn't. I'll tell you. As a disabled person, you have to think in advance. And by thinking in advance, meaning this wheelchair isn't very good at lawns. Just uneven surfaces. So in order to make it as easy as possible, I'm just trying to take everything in one go. Well, basically, the less rounds, the better. So I got everything. This one, my special fork, and my special fork is stolen. Yeah, I stole it from a restaurant one day. Serves lovely as a weed remover. And one day when I'll become a famous influencer, I'll just pay them back for it. But all I had in my house were those IKEA ones, you know, cheap ones that were bending, so I really was in need. Yeah, I'm a thief. Sue me. I was about to tag those plants with those, you know, name tags, and I thought I'll just read it from here, but I can't see. Cornus alba sibirica. I hope it's this one. I'll try to confirm it with Google Lens. Yeah, it seems that's the one. I won't even try to pronounce it. Just listen to this.
Japanese quince.
Japanese quince. Yep, let's tag it first. Got the first one, so that's Japanese quince. And this one, Cornus alba sibirica. Let's check if it even looks similar. Yep. Have you noticed that everything is a video these days? Like, I'm trying to find some information about pruning this one and pruning this one as well, and I have to watch like 4 minutes of a video, at least 4 minutes. I'll tag this one as well. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I shouldn't be pruning it that late. And second of all, yeah, just don't do what I'm doing right now. I'm just delusional. I love to think that I know what I'm doing. So what I'm trying to achieve is a bit of a structure in here and a bit of a structure in here, like, you know, roundy one. Yeah, this can do. Now I'll just remove the topsoil layer and I'll give it some turf on top and also some fertilizer, a bit of a fertilizer now. As I said before, don't repeat what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing things that make sense. So first of all, nitrogen oxidizes really fast. So I can either water it down, but I can't be watering this plant for like 10 minutes, right? And this plant needs nitrogen, obviously, to grow. So in order to stop it from oxidizing, I'll just cover it. Also, peat moss will provide some nutrients that will go down with water, down to the roots. But if it's really what you should be doing, I don't know, hard to say. I'll just cover the tag from the sunlight. There we go, first plant done. Is it level? Yeah, sounds good. Let's check this one then. It seems like this one needs a bigger pot, but I'll check it in a sec. Yeah, it kinda is overgrowing. I don't know if I can do anything about it now. Or maybe I will. Or maybe I won't do anything about it. Yeah, it's not really that much important. I'll fix it next year. Yeah, I guess this one's done. Let's check if I can cut it a bit. I think I'll just leave it as it is for this year. This one now. Look what I found. Damn, it's mine now. What is this one? Potentilla fruticosa. Let's just see what I'm dealing with. All right, the top is scratched. Right, my friend. Let's have some food. Let's check the pruning then. It says prune it to like 20-30 centimeters. And that's what I'm willing to do actually. I don't like this one at all. This one's a brand new. It'd be bad to cut it, but grow back, stop crying. Well, I don't like this one. Lovely! A professional gardener. I've killed you all, didn't I? Oh. So if you made it to this part of a video, you're probably waiting for me to finish anything that I started. And it's not happening for two main reasons actually. The first reason is, it's raining horribly today. I should have used yesterday's weather better, but I didn't. The second reason is, Easter is coming on Sunday, and I need to do everything, literally everything. Nothing is ready yet, I'll just post what I have, and it's probably gonna be the most boring video you'll see on this channel, right after the introduction one. Actually, literally nothing worked as I planned this week, none of it. I went to buy myself some food, ended up on the garden area of the shop, and I got myself a tree. Actually 2 trees. So if you made it to this part of the video for some reason, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I don't think there's anything to like, subscribe and share this week. What can you do? I'll improve myself next week, hopefully.